Which of the following statement is are true? There exists a connected set in R which is not compact. Arbitrary union of closed intervals in R need not be compact. Arbitrary union of closed interval in R is always closed. Need not be compact, always closed. So B and C are somehow correlate. Every bounded infinite subset V of R has limit points in A itself. So we will check each options one by one. Option A, there exists a connected set in R which is not compact. Connected, we need to find connected but not compact. But not compact. Compact means closed and bounded. Closed and bounded. Closed means all limits points exist in the set. We know that intervals of R or real line is always connected. So there exists a connected set in R which is not compact. This is open interval AB. This is connected but not compact. But not compact because this is not closed. Now come to the option B. Arbitrary union of closed interval in R need not be compact, and C option say arbitrary union of closed intervals in R is always closed. So consider, suppose this is closed interval 1 by n to 1, or you can take any point here. So arbitrary union of A means those set, suppose 1 by n to 1, union of this one is 0 to 1. Semi open interval 0 1. This is connected. This is connected but not closed. But not closed but bounded. Also bounded. Also bounded. So always closed. So statement C becomes false here, and option B need not be compact. So here it is not compact because of not closed. So not compact. It is not necessary. It is compact. So need not be compact. So this is statement because of the word need not. It is becomes true. Option D. Every bounded infinite subset V of R has a limit points in V itself. So bounded and infinite subset of R. So again consider open interval this, it is bounded, yes, it is bounded, infinite again, but limit point A and B not belongs to closed interval AB, not belongs to closed interval AB. And option D is saying every bounded infinite subset V of R has a limit points in V. So if this is V, so limit points are not in V. So this statement is again false. So correct statement is A and B.